Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, so we are going to create one more charting scanner. So based on the RSI. So last video created RSI which trading below 30 level and then bounces back to 50. By using a charting scanner, we try to find out those stock forming such a pattern and same the reverse of that particular scanner which we are going to create in this video, and step by step I'm just going to explain you how we are going to create this. And this is what a last scanner which we have created, and what exactly which we are going to find out a stock which forming a pattern. I'm just taken a nifty daily chart where we can see there is an RSI which peaks above 70 level. So RSI 70, and almost it is trading more than from that point to this point almost 5 to 10 days, where the RSI which is trading about to the RSI 70 level. Okay, so the price is in the top, and again after sustaining almost 5 to 10 candles about to the 70 level, and now RSI where it is breaks below 50. So which is break below the 50 first time after sustaining, that happened in within a time frame. So maybe 15 days or it may be 30 days. So that we can create it. So there may be a point where there is a reversal and after the RSI top level, and from this point there is a huge down, but still that RSI will never break this high, and still market is lower in comparing to that previous day high. So this is what a recent high and almost exactly 22 26,600, but after RSI which is trading almost higher the level, and previously, so we are looking for 5 to 10 candles which is the minimum 5, maybe here is the 5 candle. This time it came come down, but in this case it may be a reversed back. So we are expecting the trend reversal, but in this case it not happened. But majority there may be here in this point around 24 or 200, and the recent peak is 25 100 900 point maybe breaks. And but this time this particular time, so when the RSI breaks below 50, and from this point from 25 to 100 26,000 points, but it is almost 20,700. So from that point 25 to 100, so more than 3,000 points which is down. So I'm just looking for this kind of pattern which forms any stocks. Simply we try to get those stocks with the charting scanner. So we have already created this one for a lower level, and we'll try to create a higher level on RSI which sustained above the 30 level, and let me try to create that. And so we are using the count functions to find out the such a pattern which is happening. If we try with the futures, I'm just trying with the future, and if you want to select any segments, maybe index or even Nifty 500 or Nifty 500 multi-cap, so whatever the sector or group which you want, you can select it out from here. Or if you want to use a cash, you can just use the cash and to find out all the stocks. Normally futures around 220 futures I think right now, 224 I think. So from that we are going to filter out, but it is not charting never provide you the future data, but the group list of the stock, it's a cash only, but it will be taking out the future group. Okay, in whatever the cash which is trading in the future, that particular stocks only it will filter. It never give you directly the future data. So it is only spot data only. Some questions are arising about, so where we can get. So in charting, so we can't get future data as well as option data, only a equity. Okay, so let me try for 30 days. So we use a count function to use a 30. Okay, so let me try for a 30 days, and I'm just using RSI basic formula of RSI 14. So RSI 14, which must be greater than number 70. So which filters RSI above 70. So let me try to find out how many candles. Let me try. In last 30 days, any stock which is trading about AB Capital, a lot of stocks we got it almost 19 stocks. Let me check whether it is right or wrong. So Marico, randomly we can check. Okay, you can see the Marico level. where it isn't exactly more than 5 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and almost 5 days. This was more than above RSI 70. So it's a peak. I think previously there is a point. So it is trading above RSI 70. Okay, that one is okay. And AB Capital, Adani Energy. Yeah, here. So where you can see 5 consecutive. Simply like that. In last 30 days, we are looking for. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So more than 5 days that RSI, but we are going to look for the RSI is returning to that 50 level. So after a sustaining above 70, we are looking for it must cross below the 50 level. So let me try with then one more condition. RSI, so 14 crosses below number 50. So what that exact condition which you have created yesterday, that is what an opposite the condition for the stock which is trading above to the 70 level. Previously for a bullish, we are looking for a trading below 30 level, oversold, and now this is the overbought area. After overbought, we are looking for it must be crossed down. So we are finding out an opportunity where you don't see any stocks here at this moment. Let me save the scan to find the stock which forming a such a pattern backtest data. So recently we are looking at some of the stocks like this much of stocks which forming by this pattern. So randomly check for this January 13 Laras left Wipro. So maybe let me check whether it works or not. So Wipro, this is what point where exactly 13 January. So maybe first, sorry, 13 1, 13 1. It's exactly 49.61. Yeah, this is the day previously. It is above to the level and it is below. And this is what a point where we are looking at the first time. But the first time which is happening here, 1st of January itself, because it is trading above to the RSI, which is above to the 70 level after that. So let me check on 1st of January in backtest report. Yeah, where you can see the Wipro is available. So and Lola. Okay, let me check. Yeah, this is also one more thing, and this is the point 1st January where it is forming a such a pattern. After that, there is a big drop which is happening in this. But it is a second time happening in the stocks. But when you seen that backtest result, so we are looking at one random one. But if you are watching this and recent thing which is happening here in Kotak Bank and Sriram, and here maybe the Kotak Bank and Sriram. Okay, so this is what a first time which is happening in this case. So let me check Kotak recently 7.4. Let me check whether it is right. Yeah, it is trading about to the level, and this is what a first time where it is happening. So you maybe add your trading conditions. Maybe if it is breaks the low, you can go for short something like that. But this is what a scanner which help you to find out such a pattern which forms on any stock. Maybe you can develop any trading strategy as per your own. So by using this scanner, it will be finding out those stock which forming is such a pattern. So we are not providing any tips and tricks here, which is about the scanner which help you to find out the pattern which forms exactly on the stock, and this scanner will help you to find out those stocks, and then you can create any other trading strategy based on after finding out the stock. So let me go for Sriram. We check this is also the this point where it is moving down, but in this case both the case it never breaks the low when the form it forms the particular reversal point, but even it was recovered back. So maybe you can create your logics here to find out some good opportunities and previous back test. So Indalgo on 1.4 So that was working good. Indalco doesn't 1-4. This is what the thing, and next day it breaks the low, and that was giving you such a good movement in downside. But this is not about to finding providing a tips or tricks, but it is about the pattern which forms in any stock, which we are simply finding out with this charting scanners. So yesterday's scanners and today's scanners both is going to be updated on our premium Telegram group. Someone was asking what is the premium Telegram group. So 2 videos back, which you are detailed explain about what is the in premium group. So list of scanners which I have created already with custom indicators also we used. So a lot of custom indicators we have created based on custom indicator. We created scanners that are helping you to find out the pattern which matching on a particular stock. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And I hope two RSI scanners which are created, and that will be posted today or morning in the premium group. So you can also copy and edit, and you can modify or you can add your logics also, and you can make use of it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope the scanner will finding a perfect stocks which forming such a pattern. And this is what on March 10th UPL. So let me check UPL March 10th will be the point. 10 March. Yeah. So previously there is a point, it is traded in last 30 days and it is breaks below, and maybe that doesn't move well, but this was finding out an exact pattern which matches on this particular stock. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel to get more update. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you.